welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Band Baja Budget series. This is Jamie. Today's video is an outfit from scratch video. Yes, so in today's video I'm going to show you how you can design your own haldi function outfit in a really cool small budget. So this is the outfit that I'm talking about. This is my own haldi outfit and which I had kind of designed myself. So I had got a lot of DMs and messages and a lot of requests asking me मतलब ये कैसे किया, where did I get this made from, how much did it cost and everything. So I thought, since I'm back home and since I had the outfit in hand, why not make a quick video and let you all know how did I do this. So yes, today's video is about this crop top lehenga. So let's get started, guys. In case you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please do take a moment and subscribe to my channel. I post new videos every Wednesday. So let's get started. So guys, to start with, we're going to talk about both the skirt and the crop top. Okay, we're going to start with the skirt. I'll tell you about the fabric, about the material, about how much length that you have to buy and how you have to get it stitched. Basically, if I have to talk about the entire outfit, I think this was stitched in, it was below 2500 for sure. मतलब कपड़ा and stitching सब कुछ मिला के it was below 2500. I basically wanted a very simple सा outfit, a very elegant but very simple सा outfit that I was totally clear about. हल्दी में most of us we want to wear yellow. I wanted to get a crop top lehenga done and I was very particular कि it has to be like white and yellow में और मुझे बहुत सारा flare चाहिए था skirt में. I was very particular कि मुझे बहुत सारा flare चाहिए skirt में, so that is something that I knew. So when I went to the shop to get the fabric, this is completely satin and to be honest, this is I think the lowest quality of satin because I was like कि एक बार पहनना है dress, it's not something that you're gonna wear again and again and again. And basically to get the flare and everything and to get this entire look, I went for satin material and not net. तो अगर आप देखोगे तो इसका ऊपर वाला जो है, see this is the flare that we are talking about. This. So as I mentioned that you need 6 meters of cloth for the skirt if you want this much flare. तो अगर आप देखोगे तो ये ऊपर वाला भी satin है, नीचे वाला पोर्शन जो है वो भी satin है. That's like a really low quality material of satin and ये थोड़ा बहुत better quality of satin है. But you can go for a very basic quality of satin material even for the ऊपर वाला स्कर्ट के फैब्रिक के लिए. यू वुड नीड एटलीस्ट 6 मीटर्स एंड ये जो मैं 6 मीटर्स की बात कर रही हूँ वो बस ऊपर वाले पोर्शन के लिए मैं बात कर रही हूँ. आई एम नॉट सेइंग फॉर द स्कर्ट मटेरियल एंड फॉर द लाइनिंग मटेरियल यू वुड नीड 6 मीटर्स टोटली. आपको बस ऊपर वाला जो स्कर्ट वाला पोर्शन है, इन केस यू वॉन्ट this kind of a flare you would need 6 meters of cloth at least. and जो नीचे वाला जो lining वाला जो satin है वो आप अलग से खरीद सकते हो उतने ही लेंथ का, maybe 6-7 meters के लिए because उतना लगेगा आपको. पर आप एक बार अपने टेलर से बात कर लीजिए. but this is 6 meters. and सबसे बेस्ट तो मुझे पता है ये वाले आउटफिट के बारे में ये लगा है कि it comes amazing in pictures. It comes really amazing in pictures. जो ये skirt वाला जो flare है and the twirls and everything, it comes really beautiful in pictures. So yes, I think this is like a perfect outfit for your haldi. और इस पे कोई कैन नहीं लगा है, मैंने कैन कुछ नहीं लगाया है स्कर्ट में. It's just 2 layers of satin. See, this is the below layer of satin and ये ऊपर का layer है. तो इसमें बस कपड़ा है, there is no can, there is no netted puff or something जो अंदर हम लोग रखते हैं लहंगे वाले स्कर्ट में. मुझे बस बहुत ही एकदम flowy and flare वाला स्कर्ट चाहिए था. तो 6 meters of cloth, 6 meters of satin cloth and 2 layer of satin. This is एकदम ही मतलब सबसे lowest level of satin, सबसे lowest quality of satin जो मैंने नीचे लगाया है और उसके ऊपर थोड़ा बहुत better quality का लगाया है. तो एंड व्हेन यू गिव इट फॉर स्टिचिंग मेक श्योर कि यू आर वेरी स्पेसिफिक कि आपको इतना फ्लेयर चाहिए इन योर स्कर्ट एंड टेल देम नॉट टू पुट एनी प्लीट्स. सो मेनी स्कर्ट्स दैट वी सी फ्लेयर वाले स्पेसिफिक यहाँ पे प्लीट्स होते हैं, तो मेक श्योर कि यहाँ पे प्लीट्स ना हो एंड इट हैज़ टू बी एन अम्ब्रेला कट लाइक दिस सो दैट यू गेट लाइक मैक्सिमम फ्लेयर. एंड now coming to the top, I'm going to tell you how the top was made. तो इसका भी मतलब हमने फैब्रिक अलग से लिया था and we got it stitched. So if you see the top, this is boat neck here एंड यहाँ पे अगर आप देखोगे तो नीचे थोड़ा सा जिगजैग है पैटर्न. एंड सो अगर इफ आई हैव टू से पूरा ये जो लहंगा का मटेरियल एंड स्टिचिंग एवरीथिंग जो भी था, सबसे ज़्यादा कॉस्ट ये वाले मटेरियल का हुआ था. ये जो टॉप का ये जो नेटेड मटेरियल है इसका हुआ था. आई थिंक दिस was around 300 or 400 rupees per meter because of all the thing that is on the fabric. So you can actually go take a look. You will get a lot of option in fabric. अगर in case you know any wholesale market या ऐसे कुछ, तो जाके एक बार पूरा अच्छे से चेक कर लीजिएगा. टॉप के लिए since it's a crop top बहुत ज़्यादा तो आपको मतलब फैब्रिक की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ेगी. तो even if you are buying a very nice fabric, I think maximum that you will have to buy is 2.5 meters. So it's okay. And this again जो inner lining लगाया है, that also is satin. So this is the pattern of the top that I wanted, crop top and sleeve, half sleeved one. So yes, the skirt was actually stitched by a local tailor in my hometown, and the top I've already mentioned in my earlier video. I think the top was stitched by Naina Boutique in Bangalore. So this is in Commercial Street in Bangalore. There's a boutique called as Naina Boutique, and they stitched really well. So they had actually stitched my wedding dress also. Yes. So yes guys, this was my haldi outfit. I'm going to show you how the entire outfit came out. You guys have already seen. Let's see how the entire outfit came out. So to actually go with the lehenga and everything, you can either go for gota patti jewelry. I actually wanted to go for gota patti jewelry, but then that didn't work out. So then we actually went out for fresh floral jewelry. I had actually got floral headband made out of yellow and red roses, and that actually went off really cool with the dress. So that's it in today's video. I basically wanted to show you this entire outfit and कि इसके specifications क्या है and how did I get this entire outfit. And I was actually really happy and surprised and very excited to see one bride had sent me a photo of her own haldi, and her dress and the jewelry exactly looked like this, how my haldi outfit was. So I was like, okay fine, let me make a video on this in case if there's anybody else who is actually looking out for the same outfit. So here's how you get it done. One thing that I would like to just tell you guys here, संगीत एंड शादी में तो हम लोग बहुत सारा पैसा खर्च करके वी गो फॉर रियली एक्सपेंसिव आउटफिट्स, बट हल्दी इज वन सेरेमनी जहाँ पे हल्दी कैसे ना कैसे तो ड्रेस पे लग ही जाता है. ड्रेस थोड़ा बहुत यहाँ वहाँ खराब हो जाता है, एंड मेनी फंक्शंस में वी टेंड टू गेट अ लॉट ऑफ प्लेफुल एंड हल्दी पूरा होली टाइप खेल लेते हैं सब, तो ड्रेस खराब हो सकता है आपका. तो पहले से मेरे दिमाग में ये था कि मतलब हल्दी में तो वील go for a little bit not expensive dress, but again which looks really cool. Thank you so much guys for watching. See you next week with another wedding video. So stay tuned, lots of love, stay happy, and see you. Bye bye.